Alright, so this is the piece. So that's the socket, and then I welded a washer on the end of it right there, and then got a bolt basically and just welded it inside there. Now I have this washer. It's impregnated with rubber. I think it's, let me get the focus here. Anyway, I think what it is a it's a washer for possibly air conditioning. Anyway, that fits over the top of that, and then this unit still a little hot. It'll go right down inside there, and that'll be pretty much the way it is. And I may shoot some paint on it, maybe do a little more grinding on it, clean that up. But that's gonna be down inside there. You can see kind of how that sits. Hopefully you can see it. Protrudes just enough to where it's going to grab that bolt perfectly. And with the thickness of that washer on there, it should be perfect. So we'll have that. You can see that's pushing about a 1/16 of an inch. So that should put that right where it needs to go.